this looks so cute. What's up, Candi Crew?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candace, and today, as you saw in the title, I am doing chunky rubber band twists on my natural hair, and I want to give a special shout out to Nature's Protein for sponsoring this video. So as you can see, I already started on my hair. I only left this one section for y'all because I just had to get my rhythm going. I had to get them parts straight. Well, not straight, but they alright. I just had to get my stuff together off camera first before I came to y'all and showed y'all what to do, you know? So yeah, these are the chunky rubber band twists. They are looking so good, so juicy, so cute right now so far. And I decided to do these because actually I've been wanting to do these twists for a long time. But for a good minute, the only person I saw rocking these twists were like little kids. And I just didn't know if it would make me look like a little kid. But I did see two other adult YouTubers do them more recently. And I was like, okay, I can do them now. I don't know. I just didn't want to be the first person to wear them. People be like, girl, you like a little kid. Because like, y'all, I haven't wanted to do these twists since like January. So let me go ahead and give you the quick nitty gritty about the products I'm using for these twists. So I did go ahead and firstly wash my hair today. And I used the Nature's Protein Coconut Restore Moisture Replenishing Shampoo. And I do like this shampoo. The key ingredients in this shampoo is shea butter and coconut oil to give you moisture, honey, moisture, and to also help soften and add shine to your hair. And it says that this shampoo is also free from sulfates, parabens, artificial dyes, petroleum, and mineral oil, okay? So yeah, I did cleanse my hair with this shampoo right here. So after I got out the shower and finished washing my hair, I automatically started to do my twists. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do them. So since the point of this twist for them to be like a little chunky, you don't want to make the parts too small. So I think this part is pretty straight, you know, it's the best I can get. So let me go ahead and get this out the way with my clamp at. And then I'm just gonna split this into two twists because I don't have that much hair right here. So yeah, that can be two. Alright, so now I have my part for the next twist. I'm going to go in with the Nature's Protein Coconut Restore Curl Moisture Cream, honey. So I'm just getting some of the Curl Moisture Cream and applying that to my hair. Make sure you pay attention to the ends, honey. And then you just want to brush that through. And then now to seal in the moisture that we just added with this moisture cream, I'm going to use the Revitalized Whipped Coconut Oil. And as I told you guys before, as you guys know, you should know if you watch my channel, that coconut oil or any type of oil, it is not a moisturizer, it is a sealant. So what this does is that it seals whatever moisture that you already added to your hair. So this should be the very last thing you should add to your hair. So I'm going to go ahead and get this coconut oil and apply that to my hair as well. And y'all, this coconut oil smells so good. I don't know what they got up in here, what scent they got in here, but it smells so good. It smells so good. Storm over here tried to eat it earlier, honey. I had to like fight him for my dang coconut oil. He got a little attitude because he just woke up. You see how he giving me the death stare? Yeah, you better look away. Okay, but anyway, so then you apply the coconut oil, and then only thing you do is get you a little rubber band. We're going to put the rubber band at the root of the twist. And then again, you just want to detangle one more time, brush through, and then just start regular two-strand twisting. Now, I am twisting pretty tight because you know with twists, as soon as you let go, it's going to poof up or whatever. So I'm just two-strand twisting. And if you don't know how to two-strand twist, then I don't know what to tell you. Just get two strands of hair and just wrap it around each other. I don't know, it's like two strands twist. It's like, isn't it like the first thing everybody learns? But anyway, then you just get you another rubber band and put it at the end. As you see, I have some hair left. I'm not twisting all the way down because I do want the ends of my hair to have some cute little curls or whatever. And boom, there you go. She look a little skinny right now because, you know, this is the front of my hair. The front of my hair is not as thick as the back of my hair, but give her a minute, she'll puff up, she'll do a little bit more, but she look a little skinny right now, a little scrawny. And then you just go on to the next one. So as you can see, like, this is a very simple hairstyle. The hardest part of this hairstyle is parting. Other than that, like, if you good at parting, like, you Gucci. And again, I'm applying the Curl Moisture Cream to my hair, and then I'm going to apply the sexy smelling coconut oil. Y'all, this coconut oil smells so good. Oh, and this coconut oil you can also use on your body as well. So as I got out the shower, I did go ahead and apply it, and again, the same thing as with your hair is the same as your body. Oil is not a moisturizer, it is a sealant. So I did still apply my lotion to my hair, and then I just went on top of that lotion with the coconut oil so that the moisture can last on my skin. So yeah, y'all, that whipped coconut oil, it's a 2-in-1 product. You can use it on your hair and your body, and you'll smell so good. So good. And now that I have my little part section off, I'm just going to start to strand twisting. Alright, so I got the first row done on this side. It's looking cute, it's looking cute, it's coming together. Do you see the vision? Do you see it? Because I see it. And I decided to do a middle part with this because I just wanted the option to do a middle part if I wanted to. But I do have these other parts going straight back, so if I do want to do a side part, I can, you know. You gotta have options, you gotta have options. So with this section right here, I'm just going to split it into two, because I only have 3 rows of twists on each side of my hair for the front. And then again, now that I got my part, I'm just going to go through and section it off again. And what I'm trying to do is the bricklayer pattern, so that way the parts don't line up on each other. So that's what I'm trying to do. Hopefully I'm doing it. Yeah, that's close enough. But basically with the parts, you don't want the parts laying right on each other like this. You want them to be separated like the bricklayer pattern. You get what I'm saying? So again, y'all, I'm just doing the same thing all over again. This style is super simple. Grabbing that Curl Moisture Cream and applying it to my hair, and it feels so good, y'all. My hair looks so good so far. Like, it looks so shiny. Look at the nice little curl definition it's giving me just from that cream. No gel, honey, just the cream. That is great. All right, again, I'm going to seal in that moisture with the coconut oil. Get me a little rubber band, and then you just start twisting, honey. And like I said, you do want to do the twist pretty tight because it'll loosen up as soon as you let go. Then get you your rubber band for the ends, and if you need to, like, wrap the end around your finger, you get it together, and there you go. Throw it to the back. So like I said, that's pretty much it with the explanation. I mean, it's super simple. Like I said, the hardest part is parting your hair, but once you got that down, then the rest of it is easy peasy lemon squeezy, honey. So as you know what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this part, and I'll come back to you guys at the end. Alright guys, so I am finished, and y'all, this looks so cute. Oh my goodness, this looks so cute. I love this. And look at these twists, honey. They look so good. They're so shiny, so juicy, so moisturized. Moisturized is the word of the day for this video, honey. I love these twists, and the products made them pop, honey. And then you can even do another style with this. Like, you can put some of these twists up and do like a half up, half down kind of style that everyone's been doing lately. Oh, look at that. You can't tell me this ain't cute. This is so cute. Oh, and then you can even do like a side part with this. Do it like that. I mean, like, you don't even have to touch your hair for like 2 weeks with these twists. Like, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be great. I don't know how many twists I have in my head, and I really don't feel like counting them, but I mean, it's a good amount, I guess. Anyway, now that my hair is done, I am just going to go through and spray it with the hair softening tonic. This is made for like if you need to detangle your hair, because it'll help soften your hair, or maybe if you're doing a wash and go with a heavy gel and you want to break the gel cast, you can break it with this softening tonic. I'm just going to spray it over my hair, just to give me a little more, shine, softness, or whatever, a little moisture. Oh, I love my hair, and these products did really good for this hairstyle. And I will link the website where you can get these products down below in the description box, and you can also find them at your local beauty supply store. So Nature's Protein and I teamed up to give the Candi Crew a nice little giveaway with these products. There's only 3 things you have to do. Number 1, you have to follow Nature's Protein on Instagram. 2, you have to follow Nature's Protein on Facebook. And number 3, you have to comment down below your Instagram handle, so that way I can check to make sure that you are following them on the social medias, and so that way I can know that you're entering. And what they're going to do is let you choose 4 products out of their whole line. It doesn't necessarily have to be the 4 that I use today. It can be any 4, but I would, if I just had to give a suggestion, I would say that the Curl Moisture Cream and the whipped coconut oil is a good combo for twists, braids, stuff like that. This is a good combo. But anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video if you care. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.